Hello friend, I am Soumyadeep back with new tutorial video regarding RCC. Last video I discussed about the type of load. So in case you did not watch this video, then definitely go to playlist section. Otherwise you will find the I button here and go and check out my last video. So without further delay, let's get started this video. And one more thing from my side, if you learn something new from my video, then like the video because it helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so before starting the method of RCC design, we talk about some basic things. So today we talk about what is our aim of RCC, because I thought in every my lecture there was some link. So after teaching you the load, if you start the method of RCC design, there may be chance of breakage of this link. Okay, discontinuation of this link. So first I talk about what is our aim in any kind of RCC design. Yeah, that may be beam, that may be column, that may be stair, that may be slab, that may be footing, any kind of RCC design section. Okay, because for satisfying the aim we are going to the methods. मतलब ये एम को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए ये जो मेथड बनाया गया था, ठीक है. या मे बी देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम इन माय हिंदी एक्सेंट, बट बेयर विथ मी प्लीज. ओके, सो या व्हाट इज द एम ऑफ आवर RCC डिजाइन? नंबर वन, specify or decide the dimension of cross section of any structural part. So what is the example? Suppose you design a beam, yeah, that may be 3 meters, and you know what kind of load is applied here, but you have to specify the dimension. So after all, doing the design, we find out what is the value of x, what is the value of y. That is the first our aim. अब जहां पे RCC डिजाइन करोगे, जहां मन चाहे करो, आपको फाइनली डिजाइन करके यू हैव टू से व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन ऑफ बीम क्रॉस सेक्शन, आइदर स्लैब का डेप्थ, नहीं तो फुटिंग डेप्थ, कॉलम क्रॉस सेक्शन, एनी काइंड ऑफ. नंबर 2, is this dimension are serviceable? That means you have to ensure no vibration, no crack or no kind of deflection. नहीं तो सर्विसिबिलिटी का जो क्लॉज होता है वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेंगे, जो मैंने की ना IS 456 में डिजाइन में मैंने मेंशन किया था. दैट विल क्लियर राइट नाउ. नंबर 3, you have to check moment means definitely bending moment of the section is much more greater than moment, I mean to say bending moment, due to all applied load. Why? Because if you are first time in my RCC, then this statement may not clear to you, but if you have the basic idea regarding RCC, then definitely you have to know our aim should be provide the reinforcement RCC. So reinforcement is provided due by considering this moment, and that should be bending moment due to applied load. So these three are the mainly aim of the RCC. So this aim को satisfy करने के लिए we have basically 3 methods. एक साथ ये मेथड नहीं आया था, 1 by 1 करके आया था, because in the methods there are some pros and cons. So removing all the cons and adding all the pros, first we find working stress method. Number 2, ultimate stress method. Number 3, limit state method. Yeah, I hope now that is clear why there are 3 methods and how they are coming in your textbook or in our mind. So in my next video, we'll talk about 1 by 1 working stress method, ultimate stress method and limit state method. So this is all the video, all about the aim of the RCC. Hope you will understand my statement, but still if you feel you have some doubt in your mind, do comment in comment section and let me know your doubts. And if you find some interesting thing, make sure share the video with your friends, because it also helps the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. With this said, see you soon next video.